January 2nd of 2024 marks another extraordinary chapter in our automotive adventures. Prepare yourself for a heartwarming tale as we embark on the nostalgic journey of welcoming a 1967 VW Bug into the family. This isn't just about a car, it's about embracing a legacy. Buckle up, join us on this special ride, and let's hit the road together. As teased in another video, allow me to unveil this timeless beauty. A 1967 VW Beetle 1300. Once cherished by its previous owner, an old family friend, this bug was treated with the utmost care, akin to a beloved child. Today, we embark on the journey to continue and honor this legacy. But before we delve into the next chapter, allow me to provide you with a brief overview. The original owner has triumphed over numerous challenges in his personal journey, navigating them with remarkable resilience and independence, earning my immense respect. Presently, he leads a life brimming with happiness and health. However, at this stage of his life, he candidly expressed that he no longer feels secure driving this car. The apprehension of a potential accident and the thought of any harm baffling his cherished bug weigh heavily on his mind. Over the course of several years, I've consistently expressed to him that should the day ever come when he decides to part ways with his cherished vehicle, I would wholeheartedly embrace the opportunity to assume responsibility for its care and well-being from that moment onward. Interestingly, my initial intent was not to acquire the car for myself. Rather, I envisioned it as a special gift for my girlfriend. She shares a profound love for bugs, mirroring my passion for Seville's. The stars aligned, and a few days before Christmas 2023, he approached me with a reasonable asking price. At that moment, it became clear that the deal was sealed and the bug would soon find a new home within our family. We did a test drive with a specific purpose in mind. I was keenly aware of how meticulously he cared for his car. We seamlessly negotiated and settled on his asking price. With Christmas and New Year's Eve festivities behind us, on January 2nd, 2024, we drove the car to its new home. Before turning the key for the bug's way home, we did the paperwork. He graciously presented my girlfriend with a bouquet of exquisite flowers. In return, we offered him a small but deeply meaningful gift with immense sentimental value. The owner was so happy for us that his beloved car had found a good home where it would be cared for just as he envisioned. The exchange was not merely transactional. It was a shared celebration of a cherished vehicle finding a new chapter in its journey, with caretakers who appreciate its worth. We're taking this ride to its new home. Come along as we slip behind the wheel, navigating the roads while engaging in a captivating conversation with the owner. This bug isn't just a car. It's got a soul, and we're on the verge of forming a meaningful connection with it. As we cruised, he shared with us the remarkable stories of how many people desired to own the car, how some were willing to offer significantly more, and how others dismissed the idea of him giving the car away as pure madness. What's truly astounding is that he chose us to carry on his legacy, a responsibility that we consider an incomparable honor. Our day with the original owner was nothing short of wonderful, filled with conversations of his cherished memories with the car. Every now and then, he expressed his happiness. This bug isn't just a car, as mentioned numerous times before. It's a living time capsule brimming with good memories. Join me in paying tribute to the person who transformed this bug into a treasured part of our lives. Now that we've settled into its new home, let's talk about the future. First of all, our goal is to preserve the timeless spirit of the 67 bug for generations to come. While we cherish its originality, there are minor details that demand our attention, such as a plastic knob awaiting a careful reattachment. As time unfolds, we anticipate the need for thoughtful renewal of certain wear parts, including the brakes and other components, ensuring the classic endures with grace and authenticity. Get ready for some exciting cruises. Whether it's a local car meet or a scenic drive, we're taking this Beetle out to connect with the car community. We're looking forward to creating new stories with this classic gem. Share your thoughts, Beetle stories, or any advice in the comments below. Let's get in touch and keep the bug spirit alive. And there you have it, the heartfelt journey of bringing home a 1967 VW Beetle. A big shout out to the original owner for entrusting us with this legacy. If you enjoyed riding along, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that notification bell. See you in the next episode of That Austrian Car Guy. Drive safe, take care and may your classics forever roll with style. Tschüss!